Hello students, today we will discuss the remaining part of the first chapter of geography, the earth in the solar system. So in our previous video we talked about the planets. We knew that planets are 8 at present. Previously it was 9, and we also knew the name of these planets in Hindi. And we had to talk about the earth, the third planet of the earth. So let's know about the earth, which is a very unique planet. Earth is the planet where only and only the living organisms are found. So earth is a unique planet, and it is also known as the blue planets. So do you know why it is known as the blue planet? Yes, blue planet means ये नीला ग्रह के रूप में हम इसे कैसे जानते हैं? नीला means the earth is covered, the 71% part of the earth is covered by water. And water is found on the earth in the different forms, either in liquid forms, gaseous forms, ice as ice forms, and so many forms. It is also found here as a ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. and etc. And in all these water bodies, the aquatic animals are found, and so on. There is the possibility of the life. That's why the earth is known as the life existing planet in this universe. Now we have to focus on the distance between the sun and the earth, about 150 million kilometers, and we discussed about the period time of the light come into the on the earth. That was 8 minutes 20 seconds at the speed of 3 lakhs kilometer per second. I also asked the question. Okay, and now we will discuss about the stars. We have already discussed about the planets. If you have any problem, you can ask the problems by comments. And now we have to focus on the stars. We also given you the differences between the planets and the stars. We told you that stars twinkle, it has its own heat and light, but the planets have not their own heat and light. It is heated by it is heated and it is lighted by the light of stars. We knew that stars twinkle, but the planets do not twinkle, etc. And now let's start about the stars. Stars, among the celestial bodies, only stars glow by their own light, and they also give out heat. This heat and light comes from the burning of gases. The sun is also a medium-sized star, and it is very close to the earth. We also asked you the nearest star of the earth, that is sun. So now we will discuss about the constellation, means nakshatra. Previously we knew about the planets grah, and now we will know about the constellation. There are millions of stars in the sky. Whenever you see in the night towards the star, you will see the millions of stars twinkling in the sky, and some of the stars are found in the group. So a constellation is a group of stars forming a certain shape. Whenever you see in the sky, you will found that the stars are spreaded in a different size. We also knew it by the different names also. And so one best known example of constellation seen in the sky is Ursa Major, the great bear or सप्तऋषि. When you see in the sky, it looks like a bear. जब आप देखेंगे आकाश में एक भालू की तरह लगेगा, उसे हम सप्त ग्रेट बियर और सप्त ऋषि भी कहते हैं. सप्त माने सात, ऋषि माने ऋषि, यानी कि लगता है जैसे सात ऋषि बैठे हुए हैं. ऐसा वेद पुराणों में आप पढ़ेंगे. बट दिस इज ज्योग्राफी, हम साइंटिफिक बातों पर चर्चा करेंगे. उन्हें हम गांव की भाषा में सतहवा भी बोलते हैं, सप्त ऋषि, सतहवा. सो इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ 7 स्टार अरेंज्ड इन द पैटर्न ऑफ ए प्लाउ और अ बियर. व्हेन यू सी इन द स्काई and the scientists call it the great bear or Ursa major. The pole star, whenever you see in the north to the sun, to the earth, you will get in the sky the pole star seen in the northern sky. And you can locate also it by the help of two stars at the head of the great bear. So these two stars are known as the pointers, because northern hemisphere, in northern hemisphere used to determine direction during the night with the help of the pole star. Especially the people who travel through the sea routes, and in the nights nowadays they have the direction detector, but on that time in the night they see the star on the northern side. That was the pole star. So they knew always that the pole star are seen in the north direction. So they start to go in which direction they wanted to go by the help of pole star at the night. So it remains in the same position in the sky always, and the another different shape of the stars are the Kalpurus or Mriga, and it is visible in the winter months. Especially we can see the stars, some stars in the morning, we can see some star at the evening, and we can also see a star seasonally in the winter season and the summer season. Now we have to focus on a galaxy. Whenever you see in the sky, stars occur in a cluster also. Each cluster is called galaxy. So galaxy consists of the billions of stars, and a faint band of light visible in the sky on a clear night is the Milky Way galaxy, or Akash Ganga in Hindi. We say it Akash Ganga in Hindi. Whenever you see in the sky at night, अब बिग देखेंगे आपके एकदम बिल्कुल रिवर की तरह, एकदम फेंट कलर में छिटाया हुआ, कुछ नहीं होता है गांव में कहते हैं उसको, तो उस तरह तारे लगते हैं बिखरे हुए, छिटाए हुए हैं एकदम उत्तर से दक्षिण की तरफ, उसे हम आकाश गंगा. दीज आर गैलेक्सीज. उस गैलेक्सीज में आप देखेंगे, आप आगे पढ़ेंगे इसके डिटेल के बारे में. उस गैलेक्सी में देयर आर सो मेनी स्टार्स एंड सोलर सिस्टम्स आर ऑल्सो फाउंड देयर, और वो एक दूसरे से काफ़ी दूरी पर रहते हैं. तो हमने अभी आपका ये जाना कि स्टार्स के बारे में जाने, और फिर हम इसके अलावा जानेंगे आपको एस्ट्रॉइड्स के बारे में, जो छोटा तारा होता है. तो एस्ट्रॉइड्स जो है बिटवीन द मार्स एंड जुपिटर. We talked about the inner planets and the outer planet. So between the Mars and Jupiter, there is a wide gap of more than 550 million kilometers. This is filled by tiny heavenly, tiny means बहुत छोटा छोटा देखेंगे आप, tiny heavenly bodies known as asteroids और planetoids. इसको हम छोटा तारा या उपग्रह भी planetoids भी कहते हैं. The largest of these tiny planets is Sirius. इसे हम सीरीज भी बोलते हैं. तो साइरस आप ध्यान रखिएगा. इस लार्जेस्ट ऑफ दिस टाइनी प्लैनेट्स इज साइरस या सीरीज, विच हैज diameter of 768 kilometer, and many scientists and astronomers believe that asteroids are fragments of a planet which exploded long time ago. Now we will फोकस ऑन मेट्रॉइड्स। मेट्रॉइड्स जिसे हम उल्का पिंड भी बोलते हैं। आकाश में आप देखेंगे जब रात में इधर से उधर एक लाइट का टुकड़ा क्रॉस करता हुआ। सो दीज आर शूटिंग स्टार्स। वी ऑल्सो सी इट द शूटिंग स्टार्स बट आर नॉट ए स्टार इन द रियल सेंस एट ऑल। These small pieces of the solid mass move about in the space and go around the sun. So when they come near the Earth's atmosphere as the result of friction, they begin to glow and are called meteorites. जैसे ही आते हैं वायुमंडल में तो घर्षण के कारण क्या होता है, उसमें आग का ये देखने को मिल जाता है जिससे हम मेट्रॉइड्स कहते हैं। एंड इट इज बिलीव दैट they are tails of comets. When such shooting stars are still in the solar systems but would enter the Earth's atmosphere, they are called meteoroids. And after entering the Earth's atmosphere, they may partially burn up, and fragments that reach the ground are known as the meteoroids. Such meteoroids can be seen in the Arizona, USA. Metroids are pieces of either comets or asteroids that have broken apart. They are moving around in the solar system. Sometimes meteoroids enter the Earth's atmosphere and there they burn and glow due to frictional heating. So you can be asked that how it is glow. The answer is due to the frictional heating. Burning and glowing meteoroids are called meteoroids, and some meteoroids are totally burned up in the atmosphere, but some large and heavy meteoroids fall on the earth in the shape of solid rocks and they are called meteorites. तो कुछ गिर भी जाते हैं और कुछ उसमें ही ऊपर जल करके गायब हो जाते हैं। हम अपना विश भी मांगते हैं। आप देखते हैं आते हैं तो लोग विश मांगता है। तो ये मेट्रॉइड्स हैं। एंड कॉमेट्स के बारे में भी हम पढ़ेंगे कि these glowing bodies in the solar system are generally made up of ice and dust. So following long elongated orbits around the sun. When comets come near the sun, they start glowing. And since they follow a long path around the sun, they take years to complete their orbits. इसे हम हिंदी में धूमकेतु कहते हैं। So that's all my students. Read it and follow whatever I am giving the instruction in this video. You must like this video. You must see the video. Thank you very much.